Hey guys, it's Jean. I am here looking at this brand new app and testing it out. And so today we're going to customize my fall 2020 Fabfitfun box. Yay! I am a select member, which is an annual member, which means that I get to customize more of my box than a seasonal member does. So let's get started. This is customization category 1. It includes the Botkier New York Bond Tote, Foxy Bay Black Curling Wand with Rose Gold, the Sasha Juwan Styling Cream and Finish Cream, the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner and Mascara, I think, the Mia Melange, here it comes. There we go. The Mia Melange foldable cotton basket and another Botkier backpack bag thing. What I chose was the Uncommon James set of 2 copper canisters. I really didn't need any of the other items in this category, and those canisters are super cute, so that's what I'm getting. In customization 2, we have the Volition Beauty Celery Green Cream, the Soya and Kayo woven scarf with fringe. I have something very similar from Cosbox. The Beyond Yoga Infinity scarf with a hidden pocket, which is what I am choosing because I love Beyond Yoga, one of my favorite brands. The Glossmetics hair removal device. I have a couple of these and they're great. So if you don't have one, this is a great opportunity to pick one up. The Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Serum. I just don't need anything like that. And the Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. Another thing I just really don't need right now. I have plenty of skincare. So I am going with that Beyond Yoga scarf. Easy pick for me. In every category, you also have the choice to pick Surprise Me, and FabFitFun will choose for you. Customization 3 has 2 items from Jenny Bird. The Lena pendant and this super cute Austin cuff. I have chosen both of those. I'm getting an extra item in this category for $10. The Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses in brown tortoise. The Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' palette. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. And the Vitamasks multivitamin mask set. Just don't need any more skincare, and I don't need any makeup either, and I wear glasses, so I don't need blue light blocking glasses. These ones that I'm wearing are already that. Customization 4 has the Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene in turquoise. The Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream, which is what I've chosen. I know I just said I have a lot of skincare, but I do need cleanser. Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, Feel Beauty Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser, and the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub, which is a throwback from, I don't know, winter? Last fall? Winter, I think. Yeah, so happy with the cleanser in this category. Customization 5 has the 8 Other Reasons Runway Clip Trio. I love clips. I'm super excited to get more hair clips. The NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil in Horchata. I actually have some of that cuticle oil and it's great. I love it. I use it every time I do my nails. Liquid RX Stress Reliever Natural Ayurvedic Hair Oil. A cutlery set that you can take with you on the go, and the Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes, which is also a throwback from fall 2019. This season we're also able to boost your box and add additional items. The Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior, which looks to be sold out. The Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C, which also seems to be sold out. And the Christoph Robin Regenerating Mask. I had no interest in any of these items, and they were all around a $20 price point. Just not something that was for me, so I skipped. And that, I believe, wraps it up. We'll get to see these items in a month or so when the box ships. I think I might have actually looked at the add-on sale a little bit and shown you some of my add-ons in this video, in this screen capture. So let's take a look. So there we go. Saved all of my customizations. I went overboard with add-ons, but the sale is not over yet, so we'll see how much of that stuff I actually buy and how much of it I don't, how much I end up emptying out of my cart. But I think I also wanted to show you, when you click view my box in the app, you can actually see all of your customization choices right there. Easy peasy. And then they also show you the add-ons that are currently in your cart right there, easy peasy, on the screen. So let's see. Yep. So this is a little like snapshot of the add-on sale. It does say that there's over 300 items. There was a lot of drama about this add-on sale. It took me about an hour. I started at the exact time that the add-on sale began, and I was able to go in for about 2 minutes, and then it totally like crashed and was a big problem. So for about an hour after that, it totally didn't work, just a blank screen. And then about an hour after the sale started, I was able to get in. There was lots of sold out stuff. It was very frustrating. But here's a snapshot of the sort of things that you can get in a FabFitFun add-on sale, and the sort of savings that you can end up with. The bundles are really great, especially if you, like multiple things, and they do a really good job of curating some interesting bundles sometimes. There's usually mystery bundles. This time I think there's only one mystery bundle for $29. It usually has 3 items. I think the $29 bundle is usually 3 to 4 items. But yeah, so that is pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. I think I did give you a glimpse of my cart here in just a second. Yep, here's my cart. Just picking up a few things that I've seen before or used before. I'm super excited about that XO Sienna teapot set. And of course some more hair clips, because why not? And that Swell, I'm real excited about that Swell water bottle. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope this video isn't super weird. I'm like laying on my couch, but I was messing with this cool app. I had never really done like a screen share thing before. Take care. Bye.